Why the IW25 in-wall dehumidifier makes both developers and tenants happy? Because it prevents mold from growing in their apartments. Developers. Engineered for multifamily housing. Covers up to 1,500 square feet. Works alone. Drains directly into the hub drain or ties into existing plumbing. Runs independently of the HVAC system. It can be hardwired into existing electrical and piped plumbing. Compact and powerful. This little guy can remove up to 25 pints of water a day, almost 22 gallons per week. Tamper-proof resistant lockout feature. All controls are hidden behind the tamper front panel. Allows you to take control out of your resident's hands and into your own. Easy installation. Flexibility and ease of installation. Ideal for new construction and retrofit application. Lowers high humidity, moisture's escape plan, necessary in buildings with tight envelopes and increasing energy codes. Tenants, free hands, no water tank to empty. Quiet, sound levels of 47 dBA or less, similar to a mini refrigerator. Free of mold and mildew smells. Protects against potential health issues related to mold such as allergies, asthma, infections, and toxin medication conditions. Designed to look good in your home. Hassle-free. Tenants are able to breathe clean. HumidityHappens.com 910-579-3348. Info@innovativedehu.com.